say 1, 2, 3, spin it.
Together we are a powerful force. That's one mind, body, and soul. And no evil enter nor attempt to reduce us because of the beliefs we hold. And with this love, combined with our strength, we ward off pain and stress.
Ready?
Technician I am, wholeheartedly, and right hand in death.
Fire!
Shoot me. Yo, hold on. Let's take a picture. MOB and SOS for life. This is the only time we friends. Yeah, she is. Come on. No gang signs, just a peace sign. Have more fun. So show me something. Could you make it twerk? You could drop it low? You can make that booty pop?
Bro, where's your full helmet? That's quiet.
He gigged that up. That's Cherie's mask. That's Cherie's mask. Yo, what happened to the blood? Yeah, what happened to it? You left it home? Huh? Yo, all the fast sprinters. I'm a fat boy, so I can't run fast.
Where we going? Speed up front. Speed up front.
Yo, everybody that can run faster, get in front.
Yo, Sean, get up front.
Yo, I'll just come back you guys up when we walk over there. I'm a big guy. I can't run fast, man.
You think I can run? I can barely breathe right now because of this back.
Get me uptown, guys.
Wait. Still 2 minutes.
I want to be ready when I get there. You guys got time.
Come on, guys. Really? You guys see us lined up over here, and you guys just want to be special. Huh? Louis taking pictures and shit.
I already got 5
What the fuck? What the fuck? Everybody want to be in the camera. Dude, everybody has cell phones, man. Like,
guess where the rest of us? Don't play no fucking games out here. Don't play no games out here.
All right, my bad.
East Coast Bulldogs for a reason.
But. Who? I keep telling you about this guy.
Like, keep giving us directions.
He wants to feel. Run like you just got out of jail and you going to the whorehouse.
Shit. I'm wiping. Never say wipe, bro.
It bounced. There you go. It was a strategic bounce. Go, guys, go! We fat boys. We gonna walk.
I know, right?
I'm not running either, guys.
Yeah, fuck that shit. I'm tired. And we gotta drive back home. Shit. Yeah, we gotta get mega, bro. I know that too. Why you got your troops over there. You got your troops over there. Tell them don't engage. Come on, son. You XO. Shit, you want me to be XO? The XL for like 15 minutes. Woo! We won already. This is what you call a winning stroke. I guess so.
They already took him back there.
But we gotta get them out.
As soon as blue touches them, or rescues them, if blue touches them, then they're active. But they can shoot you and you don't shoot at them.
So how we could get them right now? We need to get them.
No, you don't have them.
So we just defend.
We have our radar ready.
But you guys have bows on them too.
I thought we were supposed. Our mission, our SID rep was to get them and then go to the Mega Fortress.
That's what I was told.
Yeah, we're supposed to get them out and then take them to the Mega.
They can't move until blue comes and touches them.
Wow, really?
So what about our?
So
what about our llama?
I can't blow this building up.
No, thing says our llama is here in town.
I have no idea. That's what I just told.
You ate lunch? You hungry? You good in there? You good in there? You want some water? How's jail life? All right. Hey, yo, guys, let some blue players come through.
Let them come through.
Let the blue players come through.
There's too many of our guys split up.
Yeah, we got a oh shit, that one. Yo, dude is shooting like 500 shots. He's just breaking paint on the fucking bushes though. Yo, well if they don't come through and get him, I guess we won.
We won regardless, man. They can come and get him and take him. It doesn't matter. Want to rap a little freestyle?
I'm gonna fuck these dudes up. You wanna go? Yeah, push them back. Flank them, guys. Flank them. Flank them. We don't gotta stay in one place. We don't gotta stay in one place too long. Yeah, sir. I gotta bounce. I know. Some fuck over here too. Yup, you hit. Look at this dick. Look at this dick. Bob Long, bitches! G6 power! How was that? I got hit in my head. Yo, watch the left, watch the left side. There's one over here too. Don't shoot. Don't. No. He's behind here. He's behind the other bunker. Yeah, stay right here. No. It's a bunker. Let them come out. We can pick them off. They don't know we're here. So you watch that way and I'll watch this way. I'm gonna get low.
Yeah, he's out. Yo, I was putting this shit out.
Looking over. Get out. Get out.
Get out.
Get out.
Come on, son. Don't cheat.
I got you on camera.
Don't cheat.
I got you on camera. Thank you. We won't shoot at you. We won't shoot at you. But you're hit.
Come out now.
You're hit. You're hit.
Come out.
Thank you.
The other guy too.
Thank you.
The other guy too. The other guy too, because I hit him. No, it was two of them.
It's another dude back there.
Yeah, see? Like,
He's black. He's in the black.
Both of them as they try to run.
Yeah. But the dude in the black, the taller dude, he's been back there. I will go bunker him, but I don't want to get shot.
Look, see?
Watch them.
Come on, son.
Watch them. Look, the ref is calling them out. I will run up there with the pistol with you. But look, we gonna get shot, bro, because they crossfiring from right here. If we run out in the open, we get hit. Oh shit, my bad. Let him come out again, Sean. Yup, he's hit. He's hit. The ref. Yup. Yeah, you didn't see us over here, huh? Thank you. Look at this guy. Sean, move up. Bump up. Thank you.
See, I was born with a heart of war, sworn to defy the course with a higher force. I get it on like the God of war, and it's a must hate, cause my force great. Like Yoruba peeps, I watch my enemies prostrate. I cross fate, then your dog's late. Your shit is slim, see your chances, just lost weight. I sparked a mission with infinite ammunition. Never been a hard decision. Click spark, then your heart is missing. I'm Alexander the Great and Hitler all in one. The modern day Genghis Khan. Say it all and then it's done. I roll with the hardest brethren. It's like Armageddon when we get him. With a sword off, I cut your balls off, then I behead him. Then shot starts hollowing, bullet starts following. Monster comes up like it was Halloween. I still stand firm, I'm born to win. While these thugs turn to bitches, then we draw like King Solomon. Yeah.
Yo, it's the Caveman General. You probably know I do, you probably don't. If you don't, you're about to find out.
Give you
Yo, sharpshooters with orders to shoot on sight. Dark creepers in your tail for that shit you choose to write. You can choose to fight or silently move and strike. Now you're scared to leave your house, cause you might lose your life. Ninja assassins, killing the walls, kicking the door, crawling the floors, gripping the fall. When the strike hits, yo, your crew flinging terror. You can be a psychic and still won't see tomorrow. Holding two chromes like a bicycle, the rebel sinner. Your girl's body's a temple and priest dwells in her. I speak facts, you better than me, that's a mismatch. Be your think cap with 6 slabs from a thick slab. What you doing, nigga? I'm stomping with Eric Timms, pulling out grenade pins. Why? Till my brigade wins. I'm complex, they playing sharp on my reflex. You ain't got guns, you short arm like a T-Rex.
Sir, you are sick. You are a sick person.
That side.
Come on, Frank. Thank you very much.
Yeah. I
I had the prophecy, and honestly, I was obviously disappointed. My apologies, I'm dealing with those I strictly invited. Strictly by invitation, amputation when I'm handling the microphone. Yeah, I take a rapper single-handedly. Rated highly, undoubtedly, finally I'll be bringing it. I'm sitting in the future, my niggas can have my pass for free. I'm gonna charge a fee for terminating a technology responsible for making you stupid in my society. I spit fire and brimstone, and I got me a pitchfork. I'm one hell of a guy, yeah. It's okay if your ears burn. It's my turn to place it back. You spitting proper, boy. The stage is set, I make you fall off like Burner Boy. Fair enough, you had as many more materials in your day. You think it's too late to die? I could lead you to an early grave, and I'm afraid I had your days numbered in Roman numerals. In 4 days when you die, send your niggas an IV, Shock Mills.
Otis Jackson Jr. here. I'm an Aquarius with Capricorn tendencies. I'm just playing. I guess I'm your regular garden variety, straight up dope fiend. Been addicted to crack, smack, uppers, downers, booze, gambling, hookers. Hell, you name it. I either sniffed it, shot it, smoked it, or screwed it.
Right,
you know my man. What I'm talking about, brother? Right on.
I wasn't over here. I shot you from over here. He's dead. He's dead, but I shot.
What proof? Right.
Yo. Yeah, bitches. Yeah. Yo, me just go over there and copper some boy with the pistol, bitch.